Tesla just announced that its Model S and Model S vehicle production will be shut down for 18 days, and many investors are wondering right now whether or not Tesla's stock is worth $90 or whether it's worth $780. Analysts are all over the place on what they think this company can do, whether it's a tech stock, a car company, a combination of both. So in today's video, I'm going to break down exactly what I'm doing with Tesla in our $500,000 public portfolio that I share with you guys in our private group on Patreon. After that, I'm going to go over what the email said about Tesla shutting down production on its Model S and Model S vehicles. And at the end of the video, we're going to touch on what analysts are saying about the company, why they're valuing it, and make sure to stick around until the end because we're going to go over specifically what ARK Invest is saying as well and how they are still very bullish on the company. For those of you who are new here, my name is Michael. I'm a 21-year-old investor, entrepreneur, and full-time college student. In the past 30 days, I've made close to $175,000 in one of the many investment accounts I share with you in our private group on Patreon. So if you'd like to know more about what stocks I'm buying, what stocks I'm selling in my personal investment accounts, you want exclusive content that I don't share on YouTube, or if you want pre-release access to my new podcast show called The Stock Room with my 80-year-old millionaire investor friend, well, then make sure to join our group using the links in the description. So anyways, let's talk about Tesla. Let's first go over what is going on with their Model S and Model X production. So the Model S and Model X production will shut down for the next 18 days. In the period ending September 30th, 2020, Tesla had reported that about 11% of its vehicle deliveries were Model S and Model S X cars. The rest, they said, were Model 3 and Model Y cars. Tesla informed employees in the Fremont, California factory on Friday, December 11th, that its Model S and Model X electric vehicle production lines will close from December 24th to January 11th, 2021, according to an email seen by CNBC. Employees working on those production lines were offered a full week of pay to cover one of the 2.5 weeks of the shutdown. They were asked to take 5 unplanned and unpaid days off, but in the email from Elon Musk, it says that they have an option to try to find work in other areas of the factory during those days. In a separate email, though, Tesla and Elon Musk also talk about how production is booming, how they need to produce as many vehicles as possible. Elon Musk said, "Fortunate to have the high-class problem of demand being quite a bit higher than production this quarter," and he asked for employees to increase production as much as possible during the rest of the quarter. So obviously what this means is that the Model S and Model X vehicles are not as popular right now. People are more into the Model 3 and the Model Y vehicles, which are their newer models. So shouldn't affect much with their stock price. They're still on track to produce the 500,000 vehicles this year. We'll have to wait and see if their Model S and Model X vehicles, maybe they start to transition into other models, or what they're going to do with these to get the demand back up again. So we'll have to wait and see what happens there. But with regard to Tesla's stock price, currently analysts are debating whether Tesla stock is $90 a share or it should be $780 a share. Right now, it's entering the S&P 500 this month, and the question that many analysts are asking themselves and many investors are wondering is, what type of company is Tesla? Are they a tech stock? Are they a car company? Are they a combination of both? What exactly does Tesla do? How can we value their company? Goldman Sachs has a price target of $780 per share, which is one of the highest on Wall Street for Tesla. And JP Morgan and Chase has a price target for Tesla at $90 per share, which is significantly lower than where the price is at right now. The electric vehicle maker, Tesla, has now reported profits for 5 straight quarters. They're entering the S&P 500, and their stock is up almost 18,000% since their 2010 IPO. So they're doing extremely well. Investors love Tesla. Right now, Tesla's currently trading at 1,000 times earnings compared to other car companies like General Motors, which trades at 14 times earnings. So basically right now, the question of Tesla's valuation comes down to, how do you look at Tesla? Do you see them as just a car company or as a technology company in general? Me personally, I see Tesla as doing very well in the future. I see them valued as a technology company. All of their products are designed in the same way as Apple. Apple, they want to keep everyone in their Apple ecosystem, same as Tesla. With Tesla, they try and keep everyone in the Tesla ecosystem, from charging stations to cars, software upgrades, everything is done at Tesla. So me personally, I want to invest in a company that does everything within their own company, that doesn't outsource a lot of the production process to other companies, and that's what Tesla does. And one of the reasons I really like them, they could profit from all aspects of the business, from the factories, software upgrades, battery stations. They can profit from all these different aspects. One thing to keep in mind, though, and one thing to be wary of, just if you are invested in Tesla, is that Elon Musk said back in May that Tesla's share price was too high, and it's only gone up significantly since then. In addition to this, when they announced that they were going into the S&P 500, Elon Musk also said that their stock could get crushed like a souffle under a sledgehammer if investors at any point conclude that Tesla cannot achieve the profits they are expecting to deliver in the future. So from what Elon Musk is saying, he's just a little cautious about the share price as well right now. He wouldn't be saying all of these things if he was 100% confident that Tesla is going to be more and more valuable and that they're going to do exactly what investors are expecting. So while I do think Tesla is still a good buy long term, based on what Elon Musk has said recently, I just would hold off probably on buying any new shares in Tesla, increasing your position, just because Elon Musk has seemed a little wary himself, a little cautious himself to say that Tesla can easily outperform all investors' expectations on the company. He says that they have a lot of pressure, basically, and if they're not able to deliver their profits, the stock could take a huge hit and it could crash a lot if they're not able to continue to deliver profits and deliver what investors are expecting. So anyways, that's what's going on with Tesla's factory, how they're shutting down production, as well as what analysts are currently saying about Tesla's stock price, ARK Invest, Goldman Sachs, and with JP Morgan and Chase. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget you can get 4 free stocks, each valued up to $1,600 when you download the Webull investing app using the link down below. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.